Good evening, welcome to microscopy. This time we will do snail's embryo. Aquatic animals, they give egg which is transparent in water. So we can see through, we can see everything inside. So that's advantage. So this time we are seeing snail's embryo which is transparent. Inside that we can see the baby snail is growing. So here we are with the things. So snails, this is Pistia water lettuce. This is aquatic plant. On top of that, the snail gives an egg. You can see some jelly-like substance. That is what egg is. So what I will do? So the snail which is here, so I will do multiple snail's embryo in different slides. So here we are. This slide known as cavity slide. There are some concavities so that we can keep the thing. Just we need to check which side is concavity, please. So here we will need scalpel. With the help of dropper, we will give a drop of water in all. We keep the dropper ready. Now, with the help of scalpel, when we scrape the egg case, well, I need to use forceps because it's entangled. I can keep it here. There is one more egg case, so we will do in another slide. I am taking multiple because I don't know in which egg they are mature. It seems to be quite big. I can see snail shell right here. And in third one, we got another some jelly-like substance. So from here we scrape the thing. Keep it here. So we got 3 slides with different setup. Let's see what we can see. Now see here, this is what we got a microscope. This is just a common microscope, but here we can see this. This is a digital eyepiece and this is optical eyepiece. So what I will do is, I will remove digital one, put the optical one and start looking cell one by one. So first thing I will look through, then I will show you what I am looking at so that you have an idea. So here we can see the cell, but very small. These are egg case where the snail embryo is growing. So I will change a different view. Now I will magnify the image. I will do it again Now I will take another embryo just to see the magnification, just to see the development. Maybe more development has happened. So I remove this, I change into something else. I use again optical camera so that I have proper view. Yeah, this is much. Maybe third one is lesser. Let's see, so that you can have a very clear idea of all three types. Yeah, this is smaller but it's moving. So let's see this. You will have fair idea. Here the embryo may have grown a little more, so that we can see that they started moving. So initially the embryo which is laid was not moving. Now it started moving. So it's growing bigger. And now if we change to the third one, so here the embryo grown much bigger. So here we can see more or less snail form has formed. I'm trying to get one individual snail so that